Cold as ice, fierce as fire, meet the Siberian tiger, the undisputed lord of the snows. In the brutal winters of Russia's Far East, this majestic beast reigns supreme. Weighing up to 600 pounds, they're the largest cats on the planet. Not just size, they've got strength to match. They're able to take down prey twice their weight, but it's not all brawn with these big cats. They're intelligent hunters, masters of stealth on the snow-covered landscape, endangered, yes, but with conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly but surely rising. So let's raise a cheer for the Siberian tiger, the king of the wild, the lord of the snows. A symbol of strength, survival, and sheer power. Remember, every creature, no matter how fierce, plays a vital part in our planet's complex tapestry.